Hello everyone, this is Rajashri from grade 9. Today I am going to explain about parts of speech. Let me see. Here is a train named parts of speech. Parts of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning or grammar within the sentence. There are 8 compartments in this train named noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let me go to the first junction, noun. Let me see that compartment. Noun is a naming word. It denotes the name of a person, place, thing or an idea. Let me see the types. First person and the first type is proper noun. A noun which denotes a person, a thing or a place in particular is called a proper noun. Examples are Stephen, book, India, tiger. The next person and the next type is common noun. A noun which denotes a person, a thing and a place in general is called a common noun. Examples are boy, girl, animal, country, state. The third person and the third type is collective noun. A noun which denotes a set of persons, things and places in a group is called a collective noun. Examples are police, army, crowd. The fourth type and the fourth person is material noun. A noun which denotes the raw material of a product is called a material noun. Examples are gold, wood, fiber, diamond. The last type and the last person is abstract noun. A noun which denotes the things which can be only expressed and feel is abstract noun. The examples are honest, pride, happy, sad, brave, anger. Move to the next junction called pronoun. Let me see that compartment. Pronoun is the word that is used instead of noun. Let me see the types. First type is subject pronoun. Subject pronoun is a personal pronoun that is used as the subject of a sentence. Subject pronouns are I, we, they, she, you, it, he, it. Examples is it is my dog. Here it is the subject pronoun. Next type is object pronoun. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that is replaces a noun with a object. Object pronouns are me, us, you, them, him, her, it. Example is he called them. Here he is the subject pronoun and them is the object pronoun. Next type is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is to replace the possessive adjective. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. Example is green shirt is mine. Here mine is the possessive pronoun. The next and the last type is possessive adjective. To show something belongs to someone. Possessive adjective are my, your, his, her, our, their, its. Example is my shirt is green. Here my is the possessive adjective. Let me move to the next junction called verb. Verb is an action word. It comes from the Latin word verbum. It denotes what a person or thing does. Let me see the types. In this compartment there are 2 gifts called transitive verb and intransitive verb. Let me open the gifts. Transitive verb. It comes with the object. Examples are he spoke the truth, Arun gave a gift, he told me a secret. Let me open the intransitive verb gift. It comes without an object. Examples are the sun shines brightly, he ran fast, the boy laughs. Let me move to the next junction named adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of the verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let me see the types. Type number 1. Adverbs of time. It denotes when an action is done. Examples are never, yesterday, today, tomorrow, etc. Type number 2. Adverbs of place. It denotes where an action is done. Above, in, within, out, here, there, etc. Type number 3. Adverbs of manner. It denotes how an action is done. Loudly, feebly, bravely, cowardly, well, badly, etc. Type 4. Adverbs of frequency. It denotes how often an action is done. Examples are seldom, frequently, rarely, always, once, etc. Number 5. Adverbs of degree or quantity. It denotes how much an action is done. Examples are very, to, almost, so, fully, entirely, any, utterly, etc. Type number 6. Adverbs of reason. It denotes the reason of an action is done. Hence, so, therefore, etc. Type number 7. Adverbs of affirmation. It confirms the truthfulness of an action is done. Conformly and surely are the examples of this type. Number 8. Adverbs of negation. It denotes that an action is not done. Examples are neither, not, do not, can't, scarcely, etc. We go to the next junction, adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Some of the adjective are in the form of letters. On the first letter and the first type. Adjective of quality. It shows the quality of a noun. Examples, he is a brave boy. Here, brave is the quality of the subject. Upon the second type and the second letter. Demonstrative adjective. It points place, animal, person or thing. These, those, such, this, that are the demonstrative adjective. Such a brilliant students are examples. Let me open the third type, distributive adjective. It denotes each person, place or thing in a group separately. Each, every, either or distributive adjective. Each student gets a prize. Here each is the distributive adjective. Let me open the fourth letter and the fourth type. Emphasizing adjective. It is used to lay emphasis on a person, place or thing. Won't vary. It is the emphasizing adjective. She is my own sister. This is very important news. Let me open the fifth type and the fifth letter, adjective of quantity. It signifies the quantity of a thing. Some, enough, all, any, whole, more or adjective of quantity. Let me open the sixth type. Adjective of number. It indicates finite and infinite numbers. Twice, four, some, third or adjective of numbers. I met 3 girls. Let me open the seventh letter and the seventh type. It shows the ownership and possession. My, our, his, her, its, their, your or possessive adjective. My book is on the table. This is their work. Let me open the eighth letter and the eighth type, exclamatory adjective. The word what is used as exclamatory adjective to express. What a genius girl. What an idea. We open the ninth letter and the ninth type, proper adjective. It's derived from the proper noun. In noun, Tamil. In adjective, Tamilan. India, Indian. France, French. Rome, Roman. Italy, Italian. Let me see the last type, interrogative adjective. Question words are often used with a noun to ask questions. Whose son are you? What idea you suggest? Move to the next junction, preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation some other word in a sentence. Here some wall hanging designs in this compartment. First preposition is in. In is used before morning, afternoon, evening and for a long duration of time and before the month and season and in bigger places and before the year. Preposition is on. On is used for time arrangement and to denote the day, date or time, and on time is used to denote the exactly the time. On is used on occasional days or holidays and before the month plus date. Next preposition is by. By is used to denote to point to fixed time or before it. We shall be back by 9 p.m. And next prepositions are with. Proceeds noun or pronoun. For is used with a noun. Of is possessive form of noun. From is used to denote starting point or destination. Next preposition is at. At is used for time precious. It is used at smaller places and before the sunrise, sunset, bedtime, noon, exact, weekend, night. She comes at 10 o'clock. Let me go to the next junction, conjunction. Conjunction is the word that connects two sentences, words or phrases or clauses. Compartment there are some furnitures. Types of conjunctions are simple conjunction, compound conjunction and a correlative conjunction. There is a almirah. Simple conjunction. Single words are used as simple conjunction. Simple conjunctions are and, but, or, that, therefore, yet, till, before, though, however, nevertheless. Examples are the man is poor but he is honest. Please wait here till I return. Since it is time, you may go. It is impossible, hence leave it. He was fine, nevertheless he was sad. Correlative conjunction. It works in pairs to join words or phrases. Correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, whether or, such as, such that, as so that, to, enough to, not only but also. Examples in sentences. Sonika likes either tea or coffee. He neither keeps quiet or get out. I don't know whether he comes or not. She is both pretty and brilliant. Neither he nor she is present. Compound conjunction. A group of words are used as conjunction in order that even if are the examples of compound conjunction. He applied for a job in order that he might stand on his own leg. The thief ran away as soon as he had saw the police. He is clever as well as his friend. They respect me even if I scold them. We go to the last junction, interjection. Let me see that compartment. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings and emotional outburst of joy, victory, sorrow, etc. It is always followed by an exclamation mark. A magician is inside this compartment. Interjection words are coming out from the magic cap. Some of the interjections are oh, ho, ha, bye, tut, hat, wow, bravo, hurrah, alas, well, puh, avant, hello, ah, low.